Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset for your headphones JBL Tune 760. To perform a hard reset, firstly make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that press and hold at the same time volume up button would have a plus icon and volume down button would have a minus icon, and until your headphones is turned off. And here we go, we just did it. So firstly we need to remove these headphones from the phone, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, forget this device, forget device. Also if you have Android, click pair new device, and after a hard reset these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it at the device list, just tap on it, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!